going on, everybody? I know it's been, oh shit, I think a week since we've made a video. But it's been an issue because I've been doing doing a lot of work on the car that is kind of hard to film and not really organized enough to make a video on. For example, the dash is wired, kind of. It's wired up to a switch that I can hook up to a battery. My throttle cable is fixed. I made an adapter for that. Pulled all the wires out of my dash that I didn't need anymore. I still have to pull the rest from under the dash that I also don't need. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I got an RC car. It's a Drift RC car. And Nate has a Drift RC car. So we're going to go play with Drift RC cars. So I think we're going to make a video on RC cars. But first, I want to show you some stuff. Pretty cool. That's the throttle, and that's the dash lights. Oh, excuse me. So, I'm going to head out, I'm going to go get something to eat, and then I'm going to go meet up with Nate, and we're going to go fuck around with some RC cars, and it's going to be dope. It's Nate! Hi! So, I told you guys that we'd be meeting up. We came out here, we got the RC cars out, and we were like, alright, let's do this, and then Nate broke his RC car.
I've been having issues, but I think between car being kind of heavy and too much torque, I keep breaking gears. So I'm gonna work on that. Yeah, so mine's down for a little bit. What? Why are we shaking?
Shake cam.
Oh, okay.
Because Hoonigan.
I thought we were having an earthquake. But yeah, so mine's down for a little bit again. But I'm broke, so until next week I'm gonna be kind of stuck.
Oh, hit the like button if you want us to go to Texas and play Waterworld.
Yeah.
If you don't know what Waterworld is, educate yourself. Check it out, just Google it, it'll be fine. Okay, continue. What were we talking about? Sorry, it popped in my head.
No, you're good. I don't remember what I was talking about either. I had a really long day at work. I'm still in fucking work clothes. I came out here quickly so that I could, boots, steel toe boots and shorts with long socks. That is a style right there. It takes effort to pull that off, and I make it look damn good. But yeah, no, I came straight out. came straight out from work so we could get this video done before he passes out, before I pass out, because we both about to pass out.
And we didn't make a video all weekend, and we were together all weekend. So.
Yeah, it was kind of a long weekend.
Yeah.
But yeah, so mine's broke. His is still working. We're still using his.
Because it's an HPI, and by brand name because they're reliable.
See, mine was an HPI too, but mine's a little bit newer.
No, it's not. It's Exceed.
Oh, no, that's right. Mine's Exceed.
Well, eBay.
Yeah.
Walmart. Hit it at Walmart.
It works great while it's working.
Yeah. It's also very heavy.
It is very heavy. But hey, my car's heavy, so...
Hey, there's a trend going on here, because my car is super light. Your car weighs about 150 pounds more.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like heavy bitches.
They slide better. Longer. Out of control.
Yeah. The heavy bitches are out of control.
Yeah. Alright, so let's check out what Nate's RC car is. Alrighty, so this is Nathan's monster truck 350Z.
Yeah, it was being a stand for a stunt, which you guys may have already seen or may see soon.
Yeah, no, they're going to see it after this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you guys will see that.
Don't tell them about our stunts.
My bad. So you guys will see that soon. And normally, if I can find the hole, Nathan.
Hey, wait.
There it is.
Yeah, get it together and let me do a beauty shot. Alrighty, so these are the bitches. We plan on getting bodies that are in fact our own. But that's going to come with time, because to find our body styles in RC cars, at least one of these 1/16s, 110, 110 scales.
I think 110.
Yeah, they're kind of expensive. Like mine, I have to order from Japan, and it's like $160 with shipping and all that shit.
And they actually don't make mine. I'm gonna have.
Yes,
to.
they do.
What?
Yes, they do.
Oh, okay.
But it's also like the same cost. Mine.
Well, I'm gonna see if it's cheaper to go that way or just cheaper to get it 3D printed here.
Yeah.
I might do that.
So then we can have like, because I want the big Country Labs wing on my car, so I'm gonna want it on my RC car as well. Oh wait, shit! I wasn't supposed to say that. Did I already say that?
I don't remember. They know now.
It's a plan. I mean, I RB swapped it, so I might as well put a big fat fucking drift wing on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Oh man, this cough.
Yes, I drink my coffee with lots and lots of creamer.
We're both a little tired.
A little bit.
So,
So we're gonna do some more drift shots and shit like that, and yeah. Yeah, buddy. And this is going to be the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed our little RC video, and I'll probably make another video tomorrow because I got a lot of electrical shit to do, and it's going to be pointless and dumb. You guys probably aren't going to enjoy it anyways. I feel like we're like back to front or something. I don't know what's going on here. That's better.
I don't know.
I don't know, my boobs are very prominent. Yes.
Jesus. Like a full B cup right there.
Hey, it's all muscle though.
I'm jealous.
Alrighty, stay sideways, guys, and bye.